Jared Simpson here with MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard a 2023 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. This boat has quad 300 V8 Mercury Verado power. We have a cockpit grill with a generator, so you can run the cockpit grill away from shore power. Prep station as well, cockpit table, triple helm seats. Moving forward, the boat has two 16-inch Simrad MFDs, open array radar, chirp down vision sonar with joystick piloting, skyhook, and autopilot integrated right here into the joystick. This boat is equipped with a tower, factory tower with a black frame. Down below, nice wood finish cabin, converts and sleeps too. Enclosed head compartment here on the starboard side. This boat is the upgraded sound system, as you can see from the additional JL speakers. The fold-out trolling seats. You have a port and starboard. Power high-low table here in the bow with a filler cushion when it's in the down position. Audio controls. Thanks for watching. If you'd like additional information, please contact me at 781-727-0629. Thank you.